Orcas are the largest members of the dolphin family and one of the most powerful predators in the ocean. They have distinctive black and white markings and a tall dorsal fin that can reach up to 1.8 meters in height. If you want to learn more about these amazing animals, please subscribe to Critter Postal and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Now let's delve into the 17 interesting facts about orcas, the killer whale. Number 1. Orcas are not actually whales but dolphins. They belong to the suborder Orentoceti, which includes all toothed whales and dolphins. Number 2. Orcas are found in all oceans of the world, from the polar regions to the tropics. They are probably the second most widely distributed mammals on Earth after humans. Number 3. Orcas can live up to 90 years in the wild, with females usually living longer than males. The oldest known orca was a female named Granny, who was estimated to be 105 years old when she died in 2016. Number 4. Orcas have a complex social structure and form long-lasting bonds with their family members. They live in groups called pods, which can range from a few individuals to over 40. Each pod has its own dialect, or unique set of sounds, that helps them communicate and identify each other. Number 5. Orcas have a varied diet and can eat anything from fish and squid to seals and whales. They have 100 short teeth that can be 4 inches long and can bite with a force of over 19,000 newtons. They use different hunting strategies depending on their prey, such as creating waves to watch seals of ice floes, or working together to surround and attack larger animals. Number 6. Orcas are highly intelligent and can learn from each other and pass on their knowledge to their offspring. They have been observed using tools, such as rock and coral, to catch fish or break open shells. They can also imitate sounds and behaviors of other animals, such as sea lions and dolphins. Number 7. Orcas are very vocal and use a range of clicks, whistles, pulse, calls, squeals, squeaks, and screams to communicate with each other. They also use echolocation, which is a form of sonar, to navigate and locate prey in the dark or murky water. Number 8. Orcas have a keen sense of smell and taste, which they use to detect chemical signals in the water. They can also sense the electrical fields generated by other animals through special organs called electroreceptors. Number 9. Orcas have a remarkable memory and can recognize individuals that they have met years ago. They can also remember routes and landmarks that help them navigate their environment. Number 10. Orcas are very playful and curious animals that enjoy interacting with each other and their surroundings. They have been seen playing with seaweed, kelp, icebergs, pebbles, and even plastic bottles. They also like to breach, spy hop, tail slap, and bow ride on the waves created by boats. Number 11. Orcas have a strong sense of empathy and altruism, which means they care for and help others in need. They have been known to share food, protect injured or sick members of their pod, and even assist other species such as dolphins and sea turtles. Number 12. Orcas have different types or ecotypes that are adapted to different habitats and prey preferences. There are at least 10 recognized ecotypes of orcas worldwide, such as resident orcas that feed mainly on fish, transient orcas that hunt marine mammals, and offshore orcas that eat sharks and rays. Number 13. Orcas have no natural predator in the ocean except for humans. They are threatened by various human activities such as overfishing, pollution, noise disturbance, habitat loss, climate change, and illegal hunting. Some orcas are also captured and kept in captivity for entertainment purposes, which is harmful for their physical and mental health. Number 14. Orcas are culturally diverse and have different traditions and customs that are passed down from generation to generation. For example, some orcas in Norway have learned to catch herring by stunning them with their tail flukes, while some orcas in New Zealand have learned to beach themselves to catch seals on shore. Number 15. Orcas are very expressive and can show a range of emotions such as joy, anger, sadness, frustration, boredom, and affection. They can also smile and laugh, which are signs of happiness and amusement. Number 16. Orcas are very fast and agile swimmers that can reach speeds of up to 55 km per hour. They can also dive up to 300 meters deep and hold their breath for up to 15 minutes. And number 17. Orcas are one of the most iconic and charismatic animals in the world and have inspired many myths, legends, stories, and artworks throughout history. They are also considered as the symbols of power, grace, beauty, and intelligence by many cultures and people.
Bottlenose dolphins are amazing animals that belong to the family of oceanic dolphins. They have a distinctive bottle-shaped snout and a high level of intelligence and sociality. Welcome to Greater Gospel. Watch this video till the end and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Let's probe into the 17 interesting facts about bottlenose dolphin. Number 1. Bottlenose dolphins are marine mammals that live in tropical and temperate oceans around the world. Number 2. They have a distinctive bottle-shaped snout and a high level of intelligence and sociality. Number 3. Their brains are bigger than human brains. Number 4. They communicate with each other using squeaks, whistles, clicks, and body language. Number 5. They use echolocation to navigate and find food for producing high-pitched clicks that bounce back as echoes. Number 6. They are carnivores that eat mostly fish but also crustaceans such as shrimp and squid. Number 7. They are social creatures that travel in groups called pods of around 10 to 15. Number 8. They cooperate to raise young calves, hunt, and help each other. Number 9. They are awesome acrobats that can launch themselves up to 5 meters out of the water called breaching. Number 10. They breathe through a hole on the top of their head called a blowhole and can hold their breath underwater for around 7 minutes. Number 11. They have a thick layer of blubber that helps them maintain their body temperature and protects them from predators. Number 12. They shed the outermost layer of their skin every 2 hours, which is why they are so smooth. Number 13. They are not endangered, but they face threats from illegal hunting, fishing nets, and pollution. Number 14. They have a lifespan of about 40 to 50 years in the wild. Number 15. They can reach speeds of over 30 kilometers per hour and dive as deep as 250 meters below the surface. Number 16. They have a sense of taste but not a sense of smell. And number 17. They can recognize themselves in a mirror, which is a sign of self-awareness. So viewers, that's all for today. Subscribe Greater Gospel for more these kind of videos. So see you in another video. Till that, take care, love you, goodbye.